for the Serve the Kid. Today's question is, when updating consent, should I keep the same URLs or replace them?
So Corey, that is a brilliant question. When updating content, should you keep the same URLs or replace them with new URLs? And the answer is pretty simple, and I've got enough evidence to prove it. Keep the same URLs. Google's got all the history. Obviously, you've got links pointing to there. You've got they're already ranking in the search. Hopefully, 100% keep the same URLs. Just replace the content and give them a good refresh. And this should be something you do every 6 months, every year. Anyway, you should be looking at all content. Especially posts that used to do well and drop off. So maybe have tracker in that setup. So if the organic traffic starts to decline, look into them and see. It could just be that you just need to update the content. And this usually does give a quick boost to rankings. And obviously the users are seeing the greatest and most relevant content because it's up to date and fresh. So yeah, you should always keep the same URLs. You should always be looking to update content. I hope that answers today's question for you. If you have any questions, please do send them in. We're more than happy to answer them. I'm Andy. This is Corey, aka the Serverlog Kid. Please do follow us on Twitter. I'm at Onpage.rocks. He is at Serverlog Kid. We're on Facebook as Onpage.rocks. And we do have a technical SEO group on Facebook called Onpage.rocks, so please do join. Ask any questions in there, and we'll try and be helpful. Our YouTube is Onpage.rocks, so please do follow and subscribe us on there for the latest videos we published. We're both on LinkedIn, so please follow or connect with us. And again, thanks for following. And if you do have any questions, please ask them.